Hi there, so if you're watching this video, I want to share with you exactly what is possible with $20 to $25 per day Facebook ad budget. So as you can see over here, I'm inside the new fresh Facebook ad campaign in Ads Manager, and as you can see here, I had new page likes campaign, right? So this one I shut off. It was run for $5 per day, and as you can see over here, there is the active delivery. This is the new conversion campaign. So conversion campaign is to get sales, right? So the budget here is $25 per day, and deliveries is active. Now I tested this on a fresh student's CLICKBANK account. So let me show you one of the results over here. So you can see over here $383, almost $400 by spending $20 to $25 per day on Facebook ads. You see over here, we started on January 26th at night in the evening time, right? So in January 27th we had $137 from $25 ad spend. Now in January 28th we had $81, and last night we had $164. Now January 30th today, so it does not show up yet because of course it's just the different time zone in US, so it just refreshed. So let's see what is going to be today. So you see, if you have a low ad budget, $20 to $30 or $50, you can be generating 100 plus every single $100 days every single day without any problem, if you know what kind of targeting you need, what kind of lenders do you need. Right? Landing page is not about sales copy, it's about the lender, the content rich lender, VSL, and also the ad copy that connects with your audience. You need to have the right message to market match. There is no special magic software tool that will make your sales. It's all about understanding your market and what do they want, right, and giving it to them. So it's about message, having the right message to market match. So if you would like to know exactly how you can do that, or have done for you affiliate website with support and help, you can reach me below this video. There are going to be links, and before you leave from this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips. And if you're newbie with affiliate marketing, right, I would suggest you to pick one niche, one offer, and one of the 3 profitable niches are relationships, make money online, and weight loss, right, or fitness. So those are 3 main niches, and there are the verticals, of course, sub niches, right, that you can go into. Like for example, in a health space, you could go in diabetes, you can go in dental health, right, teeth and stuff like that, back pain, or arthritis, or you have different sub niches, right, in every big niche. Like in the relationship space, you make about getting ex back, or about making up, or about breakup, or things like that. So you have many different verticals in every single niche that you can go into, right? Or in a hobby niche, for example, like woodworking, or do-it-yourself niche, where you have different courses or programs that you can promote as an affiliate for a huge commission. Now, if you're working directly with me, I can get you 90% commissions because I have connections with different vendors that can bump up commissions from the get-go. So you can start generating huge commissions as an affiliate with the right system, like you can see over here on my screen right now. So if you were to get started together, you could reach me out below this video. There's going to be links to my social media accounts, and also a link to my email, where you can also reach me out if you want any kind of support or done for you affiliate campaigns that are proven to work. As you can see over here, with $20 to $25 per day, you could generate over $100 a day. Now do the math for yourself. $100 a day might not sound a lot to some people, but that is also $3,000 per month, or $36,000 per year, which is yours. Now what you can do with extra $36,000, maybe you could pay off your mortgage, you can buy a new car, maybe you can bring your kids to the college, or stuff like that, right? So you do the math for yourself, And if you have extra money, like we are spending money every single day, right? You're spending $5 or $10 on Starbucks. Instead of that, you could spend it on Facebook ads, for example, like here, and you could make back for a whole week of Starbucks coffee. So it's really amazing what you can do with a system like that. So if you need any kind of support or done for you copies, add images, anything like that, just let me know below this video and we can connect. So thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe to my channel so we can share more helpful tips.